Hey folks, just out doing a quick mod to the DR today. I got a tool tube. I ordered this from Adventure Bike Australia. It cost about $88 Australian. I did look at making my own, but by the time I bought all the items needed, either from Bunnings or Mitre 10 over here, it would come out to about 70 New Zealand dollars. So I would save maybe 20 New Zealand. Plus what I was really struggling to find over here was decent metal brackets. All I could find was plastic ones. And also the pipes, they were PVC pipes, and they were quite thin walled, whereas this is an ABS pipe which is a lot stronger, and it's a good 1/4 inch thick compared to the PVC pipes, which are maybe 1 or 2 mil. So that's the reason why I decided to spend a bit more money and get this one. Right, so we'll get this fitted on the bike. First off, we need to remove the side panel. Alright guys, you've all seen this before. Remove the side panel on DR. 1 Phillips. It goes forward and slides out. Now this is where the original tool tube was mounted. My bike doesn't have an original tool tube. When I bought it, it had sort of a big Sistema like lunchbox in there, but when I fitted these Shinko tyres under compression, it would hit the box and it tore the lid off. So that's the reason I've gone with this Pro Cycle one, and it should fit in here like so. It uses these 2 mounting points, and then the back one it mounts where the pannier frame is. Your original tool tube was just held in by these 2 10mm. So all I'm going to do is hold up my brackets and stick the bolt in. Just get these in a couple of threads. I should still be able to move the tool tube in there. Now this Pro Cycle one has these locking plugs. You just screw them in and it locks them, creates a watertight seal. Now these plugs I couldn't get over here. I would have had to glue a cap over the top. So these plugs are quite good. They do also sell one that's got a padlock you can put on there, but that was an extra $30, so I didn't bother. Right, so let's feed the tool tube in. Now this top bracket is going to end up right here, just where this pannier mount is, so hopefully I can squeeze it in there. I'll whip this bolt out and we'll have a wee look. I think it might be quite tight in there at the time because I had this spacer made up to go in there, so I might need to replace this spacer with a couple of washers and just use this. That's not going to work there because the tool tube's hitting on the top of the rack. Let's slide it down a wee bit. That's still not going to work there. Where I mounted it was right on the outside of the rack. It's on there solid now. It was a bit of a fight trying to get that on there. And you've got your two mounting holes at the back. That's where it's sitting there. So as it sits there, it's not touching anything, and it's on there solid, and it's well out of the way of the tyre. You can see that there. So that's good. I think it's quite a good tool tube. You can get your plug in that on there easy enough. And it'll be waterproof. Also, by the time I put my panniers on as well, it's going to be hidden as well, so that's quite good. I think I would have liked it maybe to be a wee bit longer. You know, maybe out to the length of the exhaust, about here, but you'd have had to make these brackets longer so it's sat down a bit. But overall I think it's pretty good. So guys, hope you liked that video. I'll put links in the description of where I got this, and in case you want to go and get one yourself. I think that's a much improved over the standard one. So anyway, thanks for watching guys, and remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.